Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to join polylines. So as example, I will create polylines with the plan command. Okay, you can create here. And the second we create again from this point to this point. Now in here we have two polylines. And if you want to join these two polylines, you can type join, press enter, select the polyline object, and then enter again to join. Okay, you can create again polyline in this point, and the second we create to here, or you can add the arch object from 3 points. Now to join, you can type a join, press enter, select all objects, and enter again. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to join polylines.